Okay, Pearl, I have 3 oranges. I'll do some juggling for you, okay? Ready? Oh, I almost dropped them! I almost dropped them! Here we go again. Oh my goodness! How many oranges are there, Pearl? 3! Oh! I almost dropped one, didn't I? Oh my goodness! Do you want more? Do you want more? Okay. Oh! Am I going to teach you to juggle, do you think? Whoa! Oh! Your milk fell down. Should we get that?